Tesco. Ticker symbol is TSCO. And at the moment it's about £2.70 per share. It's by no means a world-renowned dividend stock, but it's a good company and it's a fine dividend. The current yield is about 3%. It's 3.38. The last dividend I received was for 5.95 pence per share. Pays a dividend twice a year. And usually with companies that pay twice a year, the interim, which is the first payment, will be much smaller than the final, which is the second payment. And it seems to pay 3 pence for the interim and 6 pence for the final. Tesco is based in the UK, currently has 360,000 employees, and it's in the grocery retailing industry of the services sector. It's engaged in the business of retailing and associated activities, as well as retail banking and insurance services. Its segments include the United Kingdom and the Republic of Ireland, as well as Central Europe, which includes the Czech Republic, Hungary and Slovakia, as well as Tesco Bank, which includes retail banking and insurance services through Tesco Bank in the UK. The company's businesses include Tesco UK, Tesco Czech Republic, Tesco Hungary, Tesco Ireland, Tesco Slovakia, Tesco Bank, and Dunnhumby, which I've never heard of. The company offers a range of personal banking products and services that include credit card receivables, personal current accounts, and personal loans. The Dunnhumby segment of Tesco looks quite interesting. They're involved in customer data science, helping retailers and brands to perfect the science of shopping. Unlock the value of data and create engaging experiences that put the customer first. That's quite interesting. Now, over the long term, Tesco stock at the moment is actually at pretty reasonable levels compared to where it's been in the past. So it seems like the high point was £6.13 and the lowest since starting. This goes back to 1995 and Tesco was founded in 1919. So the lowest it's been since, at least as far back as 1995, it looks to be about £1.89, and it's currently trading for £2.70. Its 52-week high is £3.17, and its 52-week low is £2.17. Current market cap £20.84 billion. Has a PE ratio of 3.16. And the dividend history, it appears that in the beginning, the dividends were, as far back as this goes, 2006, the dividends were much stronger than they are now. Still paid twice a year. Sometimes it was missed. That's only one. But they have paid a massive special dividend recently, nearly 51 pence per share. That was the 26th of February of this year. I just missed it. This is the last dividend I received from them, 5.95. So there is only dividends twice a year. However, very well established company. It's been around for 100 years and still quite a nice dividend, a fine yield. It's just over the mark of the sweet spot between 3% and 5%. Now there's quite a lot of risk added when you look at the payout ratio. This is percentage of earnings paid to shareholders. In 2021, 163% of their profits paid out to shareholders. Now, because Tesco is well established and spread out all over the world, very successful retailer, I wouldn't say this would be detrimental to them because they don't have to pay it if they don't want to. It's completely up to the company whether or not they pay a dividend. And they did pay a massive special dividend of 50 pence per share. So I'd say that's where a lot of that comes from. Special is a once-off dividend or like a bonus, a surprise essentially, that a company can pay out if it has a very good quarter or very good earnings. Tesco's quarterly profit margin is a pretty weak 1.6%. and over the last year is 10.6%. Its quarterly debt to assets, 76%, and annually is about 73%. And its annual cash flow from operating is £609 million. From investing is £6.17 billion. And from financing is negative £7.84 billion. So that's all for this one. I hope that this was useful. And if you hold Tesco, or have for a while, let me know how it's been going, what the dividends have been like, and what you think the future holds. That Dunnhumby seems quite interesting. Gonna have a look further into that. Customer data science. But that's all for Tesco, and I hope that you stop by again soon.